Meaning of dye.
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 Dye. Dye refers to a liquid or substance used to change the color of something. When applied, the dye penetrates the surface and is absorbed, resulting in a permanent or semi-permanent alteration in hue. Dyes can be made from synthetic or natural sources, and are commonly used to color fabrics, hair, and even skin. The result of dyeing depends on the material being dyed, the type of dye used, and the application process. Proper dyeing techniques can result in vibrant, long-lasting color, while improper application can lead to uneven or faded results.